Fuck off! What the fuck?
I ain't your fucking puppet dog. I ain't your puppet dog. You're me the fuck.
Oh! What the fuck?
I ain't your fucking puppet dog.
Don't do it!
Fuck with me, dog.
Don't
I've
do
been
it.
playing you for years, cunt. What? Your back up.
What?
Fuck off, dog.
Please.
Fucking drive off now. I'll give you a chance. I've got a gun in my pocket, cunt.
Yeah, I've got a tractor, massive tractor. Put it down, mate. He is not stopping. He is not stopping. Okay, he's run over the bikes. Everybody stay well clear of this tractor. Okay, he's dropped the bucket. He's dropped the bucket. Hey, this guy's not stopping. Turning right onto Tudor. No, he's straightened up. Darley Street. Stand by, he's on two wheels. Yeah, he just about rolled there, B-car. He's driving into a... Okay, he's driving onto the railway line. He's just broken the gates. He's going to be hitting the railway lines. Mate, we're heading towards the... just give us room to get...
I've got my partner on Challenor and Tiger and take the coast back.
Okay, we're on the railway line. We're heading into the railway station. Stop all trains, mate. Get onto them. Stop all trains if there's anything. We are on the railway siding, heading in towards... What's the power lines, boys? What's the power lines? Mate, get them to shut down the power if you can. I don't know if you can do that. But Out the back, I'm in the bush. I've got all his clothing in the creek.
Hands in the air now!
Good boy, mate, good boy.
Hey, before we let you go, Luke, it is Valentine's Day this weekend. Any final love advice for our listeners?
Yes. Get a partner. Or in spare time. I'm single. Yeah, I'm not much out of time for, but yeah, so if you're out there and you want to date me, get in touch with the Tommy Carey Show and, I get it, Joe.
By this disastrous approach to this, and we will be speaking to Mike Dora later on the show. He was, of course, in the George Bush's Defence Department. He was an advisor there on foreign defence, so he's got a lot to say on that. But James, give us your thoughts. I was confused to hear that.
Sucked in, cat. Where are you going to go? You're a dickhead! Do you want to die, do you? Hey, give preference! No, you have to give way!
It's a bit... Oh, you idiot! You've got to be kidding. Did she even...
That's my livelihood.
That... And she can't move. She's stuck.
season. SodaStream, the fresh way to drink fresh and the smart, simple, sparkling solution to your hydration needs. Learn more at sodastream.com.au. Holy Mother Russia! You're invited to grace the presence of Elle Fanning and Nicholas Holt as they embark on the wildly wicked return of the great, only on stand. Settle into the royal treatment that is the finest jewel in the crown and cheer along with Catherine the Great as she aims to take the emperor down.
Should we have sex?
I'd rather choke to death on this tiny chicken. The brand new season of The Great, now streaming only on Stan.
The Iconic is home to all your favorite brands, from Nike and Adidas to Country Road, Levi's and Dyson. So good, even Santa shops here.
Kate, Tim and Joel, thank you.
Listen by the Nova player. Download it now from the App Store or Google Play. And take Nova wherever you go.
The Nova player.